Why do so many of us struggle to make videos? It's really straightforward. It's a lot to learn, but you don't need the expensive camera that I've got, or the expensive microphone that I've also got, and the expensive filter that I always use but don't need. It helps because I know what it does, so I do need it, but you don't need all this fancy equipment. And I've got a tripod, which you might need just so that it helps film in like different heights and elevations and whatever. But the fundamentals of filming yourself on camera is down to how you speak, and down to how you look, and down to pretty much whatever's around you. You don't need a good setup. I'm covered around stuff that is just in a shed and probably doesn't get used that much, but there's still some nice bits of artwork, and overall, as long as it looks alright, it's exposed okay, and you look fine, and your audio sounds good, you can film yourself on video, and it's not that difficult. The more you do it, the easier it gets. And I've been doing short form videos for a good year and plus now, so I'm able to speak a lot easier than what I was when I first tried talking to video, because I struggled so much. I was insecure what I looked like, how I sounded, but I did know the fundamentals of how to film myself in video. I just didn't want to put myself in front of camera, and that was my biggest struggle. But now I don't care as much. I have more confidence. I've been practicing talking to camera, which was something I needed to learn, and overall it's turned out quite good, and I've got the confidence to continue doing it.